Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will learn how to create a lollipop chart in Excel. A lollipop is a circle and then we have a straight line. If you see here, we do not have points over here, instead we have icons. As we adjust the value over here, our chart automatically updates. So let's see how we can create this in Excel. This is our data point where we have buildings and we have the occupancy of those buildings. The first step is we want the circle icon. So we write circle and the circle icon would exactly be the same value as our occupancy. And we drag the formula. So the first step is you select your chart and you add a bar chart over here. Next step is you select any one of the series and go to change chart type, and the circle you put it as a scatter plot and you do OK. Let us just delete the axis. We do not require this. Let us remove the grid lines and the chart title. Now, in this particular series, which is the occupancy series, we go here and we add a error bar. Now, in the error bar, we select the error bar, we do format error bars, and we want the error bars to come completely down. So we select minus, and in the percentage, we select 100. So if you see, the bar has come completely down. Next, we need to adjust the thickness and the style of the line. So we go here. First, we select the color as black. We adjust the thickness of the line and we can adjust the dash type. For our example, we want a solid line. So I am taking a solid line over here. If you see here, we've got a bar going completely down. The next step is you select your occupancy series and then say no fill and no line. So it completely vanishes out the series. It is still present, you just can't see it. Now our next step is, instead of these dots over here, we want the icons. I have selected some icons from the net and I would be adding them onto the report. So these are the icons which I have selected. These are some random icons from the internet. I copy them and I just paste them over here. So the step is you select each icon individually, select each point individually and paste it. You select the second icon, select the second point individually and paste it. Do the same for the others. So I'll just do that quickly. Now if you see, we have our icons over here. Let us add the data labels. We format the data labels as above. We do not need the legends. Let us just bold it. And let us just select this. We do not require this axis as well. So if you see, right now your chart is prepared. It is completely dynamic. If you write, for example, 647, it updates automatically. You write 850, it automatically updates. So this is how you create a lollipop chart in Excel. I hope you understood this video and enjoyed it. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.